Hello folks, Jethro coming to you live from Redwater Dodge, home of the world famous Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Approves and Rig Ready Used. I am standing beside this beautiful brand new 2025 Ram 1500 Warlock. Beautiful truck. We're going to walk around this one together. Under the hood, you got the Hurricane engine, inline 6 tugboat engine, the brand new awesome 2025 grill on this one, night edition. You got the hooks at the bottom there just in case you need to pull somebody out of the ditch. Sensors at the bottom of the bumper. It is a steel bumper, painted black because it is a Warlock. Since it's a Warlock, you got the skid plates underneath it as well. Warlock rims, Warlock tires as well. Obviously Goodyear Wranglers on this one. Blacked out mirrors, blacked out handles. Inside here you got the 40-20-40 split bench seat, the very nice floor mats, rubber floor mats, in-dash storage, lots of storage in the glove box as well, front and rear park assist, also the 8.4-inch screen. It is a crew cab, biggest cab in the market. Underneath here you got the Ram bins on both sides. Put whatever you need in there, leave it, forget it. Under your seat now, you got tons of storage, lots of storage in the door, so you can fill it with knickknacks and things like that. This is a short box, so the 5'7" box. Again, the back bumper is a steel bumper, painted black. You got your trailering package of the 4- and 7-way hookup, dual tip chrome exhaust, backup camera, and you got the sliding back window as well. Here's your gas tank, and we'll move off to the driver's side. They does have rear defrost. When you turn your rear defrost on, it'll defrost your mirrors as well, which is very nice. The center seat here can be flipped down so that you have the storage in the middle, or you can flip it up just in case you need someone to sit in there as well. Cruise control, air conditioning, power windows, power locks, and all 2025s have adaptive cruise. If you haven't used adaptive cruise, I'll tell you, it'll become your favorite option. If this is something you're looking for or anything, come on down to Redwater Dodge or give me a call. I'm Jethro, 780-942-3629. Check us out online.